Hi, my name is Luiz Hernandez. I majored in mechanical engineering, studying at California State University, Los Angeles. I'm in my third year. I come from a lower class community. My parents are from Mexico. I'm actually a dreamer as well. I've been here for 14, 15 years. But you know, everything that we've been through, I just grabbed that and took it as motivation to continue and keep doing what I want to do. Like my school, it was divided into 3 different schools called Augustus Hawkins. So it was divided into 3 different branches, was technology, business, and community service. And I chose the technology one and I went to it, and it's this guy named Mr. Santos that had a MESA program doing there, and it was mostly robotics, and he showed me what, well, I had him for a class as well, and he was like, oh, come by, and he showed me for the conference, like the meetings that they had, and I was like, oh, it looks good. It's something new that you usually don't see it. It's like, I'm from the South LA area, so you usually don't see that much. They didn't really know what I was talking about, but they saw, like from the pictures and the videos that I was showing them what I was doing, and they're like, oh, it's like, I didn't thought you were gonna be into this. But they motivated me. They're like, if that's what you want to do, you say mechanical engineering, and they're like, oh, so you want to work in cars? I'm like, not exactly, but yeah, something like that, right? When I got accepted, I went to a preview day for Cal State LA. My dad went with me, and we saw the different laboratories and different things. And he was like, oh, like, damn, this is what you want to do. He saw, and I was like, yes, Dad, that's what I want to do. And one thing that he told me was like, hey, because I'm the oldest brother, and I got a younger sister that she's in college as well. She's in her 2nd year at Cal State LA, and a little brother that's 8 years old. So, I got a big responsibility I got to show. And like one thing that motivated me was that he was like you guys doing what you guys do inspiring me to continue what I want to do. And right now he's going back to school, and he's trying to get his diploma. So my little brother's in 3rd grade. Here and then, I try to show him, he's like, oh, let's do a science project, so we're working on one right now. And I'm the 1st generation in my family, and actually, like all my family actually going to university, and probably might be the first one to graduate. And I want to continue that because I don't see it in my family. I don't see like, oh, I'm doing this, and I'm not that person that judge. Hey, life takes you different routes, and it's difficult sometimes. And I want to show them that, hey, Hernandez is going to keep going up. The legacy is going, and starting off with me or starting off with one of my siblings, right? So at the moment, I want to work in manufacturing vehicles. So maybe eco-friendly vehicles, how to reduce air pollution in our community because, it's increasing really bad, especially in LA. But then, it's like it breaks into different branches. So I'm also thinking about aerospace engineering, so like manufacturing planes, because also I want to become a pilot, and so that gives me like little more extra strength, like, oh, you're working in planes and you're a pilot as well. So right now I'm thinking, if anything, going to the aviation, right? Because from what I was speaking to throughout yesterday, they're like, oh, you want to go into cars, you like going to planes, and you like being challenged, planes is the best thing. So overall, I'm liking the conference. I'm glad that everything was paid. I appreciate it very much, and I'm taking advantage of everything that was set up for us to learn and and try to give back. It's keeping me on track, to be honest with you, because like the people care, like the supervisor advisors care. They care about you. They they speak to you like a friend or like a mom and dad. Like, oh, we want you to do this. I'm like, okay, and I'm kind of glad because sometimes like you feel like you're in college and you're like all alone. Sometimes you don't want to ask nobody because you're feeling like it's not gonna go your way, or it's like you're gonna be lost. But I be feeling like they're taking you step by step into the situation. Like I said, I don't have nobody that went to college before me, and then so I'm learning by them. I'm learning by other people too, and also meeting new friends, right? Because like I see that they're doing engineering. I'm trying to do engineering, so we have a connection already, and making new friends, building that relationship that's going to keep us going, because engineering is all about teamwork and trying to solve problems.